Hey guys, Rickard here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And guys, as usual, we have a new product review, and this is of this ZOSI security camera. And of course, this is an IP camera, meaning that it will be used. It's totally wireless, and you only access it using your smartphone. One of the best things about this particular device from ZOSI is that, as I said, it's standalone, meaning it's a standalone unit that just needs power, and you just simply use your smartphone to connect. And now this product here retails for about $79.99 US, which is also about $80, and it's a 1080p wireless two-way audio and PIR thermal sensing IP camera. So IP cameras, if you know what they are, this is just one of those. All right, so it's gonna go ahead and open this up, and of course, just gonna unsecure this box. And this video is going to be a two-part series. I'm going to do the unboxing in this one, and next video I'm actually going to focus on the product itself and its functionality. Alright, so the first thing, again, I just want to thank the guys over at ZOSI for sending over this product for review. They were kind enough to send over a review unit. Alright, so right away we go ahead and open up this box. You can see a bunch of stickers, and these stickers include the security system. It says this property is protected by video surveillance, which are handy stickers you can place on your property. Next, you have the ZOSI camera user manual, and this is just a basic camera manual. We'll keep this handy in case we need to use it. It does show the application and so on you have to use, and it does show you how the application works. I'm going to put this aside as well. Here we have the adapter unit, and the adapter brick is standard. A little bit of weight to it, but it does come with a very long cable, which is always nice to see. So I'm going to put this aside as well. And over here you'll see the camera itself, and I like this. It's thick to the front, not too long, and of course here's the back unit. I'm going to place this aside as well. We'll look at that later on. And they were nice enough to include some mounting brackets and screws, so you can actually affix this to a wall and so on. So I'm going to put this to aside, and that's it for the box. Other than this piece of styrofoam that comes in here, and the box is a little bit tattered, so you can't really see what's on the box, but we can actually show you some of the basics based on what we can see. This is the dominant color on the box, a light blue. You can see the preview of the product. It says ZOSI and it says wireless. It gives you a bunch of barcodes over on the other side. There is some information on the box of a picture, and it says security made easy. That's the ZOSI logo. You can see a preview here. It says check out the website, zositech.com. And of course the information repeats over here. Some shipping information. It says ZOSI, and it does say over here ZOSI, and you give the application in the Google Play Store. And here we are with the camera information. It says digital security camera. Package includes, as we just saw a while ago, digital security camera, user manual, mounting screws. So we can guess that everything is included. There's just some basic product codes on the bottom of the box. Nothing special about the box. Alright, so let's check out the product itself. So I'm going to remove this from the box. And of course you can see right away, or see right here, this device. And I love the overall look. Let me just obscure some of this right here, and you can see this easy access compartment. Here's where you'd place the memory card after opening it up. I've worked with a few of these, and of course we're going to look at the base itself again. So let's just check this out from the side. You can see this great design, and here is the antenna, or the antennae. The antenna here is extendable, and of course it clears the base, and you can see the length here, and that's just to connect in terms of allowing you to wirelessly communicate with your wireless router. And you can see the base here. This is made out of plastic and metal. Yep, metal actually, not plastic, which is nice. There's a speaker unit at the back right here, and this one, as we said, has the thermal feature, meaning it can sense heat. And here you can see this adjustable thumb screw, and a screw here again for adjustments. The base, there's a section to fish the card, and you have 3 mounting points with this piece of rubberized styrofoam here as a backing. And of course you can check out the lenses, and on the front you can see that we have several lenses, and these lenses are basic. They are of course the general lens, there's the thermal lens, and of course a few other sensors that's built on here. So overall, this product is looking great. I must say ZOSI has placed a lot of design. I like this green band running along here. It looks very nice. It's in white. All right, so you can see that ZOSI put some amount of effort into this. So separately in a different video, we're gonna go into looking at it. So this is all you get: the adapter. You also get the mounting screws. There is your sticker right here, and of course there is your booklet. And this is all that comes inside of this package for this particular product from ZOSI. I want to thank the guys again at ZOSI for their sending over this product, and of course we'll have the follow-up review later on. So guys, I want to thank you. This is Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.